Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I would be showing you how to remove the background in any of the image or picture in Canva application. So if you look at the thumbnail of this video, you would see that I've taken my picture and then I've removed the background of it. And then I've used some sort of text and all that stuff to make a beautiful thumbnail. And for getting that sort of thumbnail and picture, you don't have to have a great camera or something. Even your normal smartphone is going to be all good. Just prefer having a good lighting so that it's easier for Canva to just remove the background just within few clicks. Let's see how it's done. So first of all, once you go to your canva.com, just log in using your account. After that, just open any image. For example, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, what I can do is just create a design by clicking on here. Then in search bar, just type YouTube and you will see a lot of options coming underneath. Out of all that, just click on YouTube thumbnail. Once it opens up another link, here you will be able to see a blank thumbnail where you can add any sort of text or image you want. Let's just go with the image. So if you have any sort of images stored in your laptop, what you can do is just click on uploads and then click on upload media, and then you will be able to get all the images that are stored in your computer. Let's say if I've already got an image here, click on that and it will load that image on top of your thumbnail. Once you have the image on top of your thumbnail, next thing we need to do is click on edit image. Right now, as you can see that I am sitting on the floor and then there's some background beside me, but I want to get rid of everything a part of me so that I can use my picture and then just put any sort of background by myself and pretty much just put any sort of text after that. Once you go to edit image, you can see this option saying background remover. Once you click on background remover, it will take its sweet time, takes a couple of seconds to distinguish your picture from the background itself. And after a few seconds, you will be able to see that they have successfully removed the background of your image like this. Once that's done, just click on apply and just leave it as it be. So once you have this image, obviously you can then go ahead and resize the image based on your requirements. Let's say I want to fit myself on this image like this. So once you're happy with the size like this, hold it, and then once you're happy with that, just drop it wherever you want like this. Afterwards, you can click on edit image and then you can pretty much just adjust the quality of the image by increasing the brightness, contrast, all that usual photo editing stuff. So for example, I always go with a bit extra brightness, then I increase a bit of contrast. Then you can pretty much say that if you feel that there's a bit of yellowish light in your image, then you can decrease the warmth level of your image. Afterwards, clarity, I just put always at 5 or 10 based on the image. Let's say we'll leave it at 10. And afterwards, highlights, shadows, fade, all these options, you can play around and see which looks the best for you. So once you're happy with the results, that's your final image. Another thing you can do is, since we have removed the background of the image, now you can add some sort of shadow behind your image to just have that image just popping out of your screen. So in the shadows option, if you haven't got the shadows bar in your Canva, you will be able to see all these things and you may also like. So click on that and it will download those effects. Once you have got the shadows one, there's many of the shadows. I normally go with either backdrop or drop. So just as like I said, it's everyone's creativity. So whatever feels better for you, better for your image, you can go with that. If you go with drop, you can even further refine it by clicking on drop, and then you can decrease or increase the level of where the shadow is. I normally keep it at 1. Then transparency, you can either increase and you can see the shadow will become a lot darker, or you can just minimize it. Offset 0. So whatever works best for you, you can go with that, and then blur. So it will just spread that shadow effect. So once you're happy with everything, just click on apply again. Afterwards, right now, as we can see that there's a white background, you can pretty much just change the background based on whatever they have given. Let's say I go with let's say, since I'm wearing black, so I'll prefer having a lighter background. So this you can work out based on your image, so like this, and then you can basically add some sort of text and create a beautiful thumbnail for your YouTube video. So I hope you liked this video, and this is how you can pretty much remove the background using just few clicks out here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any sort of questions, do post them in the comment section below and I'll try my level best to answer as soon as possible. With that, take care, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.